"Do you have any expired cake?" The homeless girl begged, and the billionaire who saw her had his life changed forever. Asterisk, in a quiet corner of the city, as the golden morning light filtered through the windows of a cozy bakery, a little girl stood trembling near the counter. Her clothes were worn out, her shoes torn, and her small hands were clasped together in desperate prayer. She looked at the cakes behind the glass, the kind of cakes that made others smile, but for her, they represented something much deeper. Hope. The waitress behind the counter, tired from a long shift, glanced at her with mild annoyance. The girl's voice trembled as she spoke. "Miss, do you have any expired cake, please? Anything you were going to throw away?" Asterisk, the bakery grew silent. A few customers glanced her way and quickly looked away. To them, she was invisible, just another homeless child begging for scraps. But standing in the corner of the room was a man in a navy blue suit, a man whose presence commanded respect. His name was Adrian Cole, a billionaire entrepreneur, owner of one of the largest food chains in the country. Yet, despite his wealth, his heart had grown cold over the years. He had forgotten what compassion felt like. Asterisk, the waitress crossed her arms, sighing. "We don't give away expired food. You either buy something, or please leave," she said sternly. The little girl's eyes welled up with tears. She nodded, whispering softly, "Okay, thank you anyway," and turned to leave. But at that moment, Adrian took a step forward. His deep voice broke the silence. "Wait, asterisk." Everyone turned toward him. The waitress froze, recognizing him instantly, the owner of the biggest rival bakery chain in the city. Adrian walked up to the counter and looked down at the girl. "Little one," he said gently, "what's your name?" "Lily," she whispered, too afraid to look him in the eyes. He smiled softly. "Lily, would you help me choose a cake today?" Asterisk, the girl blinked in confusion. "Help you?" Asterisk, "Yes," Adrian said. "I've been trying to find the best one, but I can't decide. You look like someone who knows what happiness tastes like." Asterisk, the waitress watched, stunned, as Adrian ordered not 1 but 10 cakes. "Pack them all," he said firmly. When the boxes were ready, he handed the first one to Lily. "This one's for you, and the rest we'll share with others who need them." Asterisk, Lily's tiny hands trembled as she accepted the box. She couldn't believe it. For the first time in months, she was being treated not as a beggar, but as a person. Her tears flowed freely now, but these were tears of gratitude. "Thank you, sir." "Thank you so much," she whispered. Asterisk, Adrian crouched down to meet her eyes. "Never thank me for kindness, Lily. The world needs more of it." Asterisk, the waitress, ashamed, wiped her hands on her apron and said softly, "I'm sorry, little one. I didn't mean to be rude." Adrian looked at her and said quietly, "Sometimes we forget that the smallest acts of compassion can change a life, not just theirs, but ours too." Asterisk, they sat together for a moment, a billionaire, a homeless girl, and a waitress, 3 souls from different worlds, sharing slices of cake and an even sweeter feeling, humanity. Asterisk, as they ate, Lily told them her story. Her mother had fallen sick, and they'd lost their home months ago. Every day she searched for food, praying her mom would recover. Adrian listened, every word piercing his heart like a blade. He saw in her eyes the reflection of his own childhood, a boy who had once begged for bread before his fortune turned. Asterisk, he stood up suddenly, determination flashing in his eyes. "Lily, where's your mother now?" Asterisk, "At the shelter, sir. She's sick." Asterisk, "Let's go," he said without hesitation. "I'd like to meet her." Asterisk, the waitress volunteered to come along, closing the bakery early. When they arrived at the shelter, the sight broke Adrian's heart. Rows of people forgotten by society, clutching their few belongings, surviving on hope alone. Lily ran to her mother, a frail woman lying on a thin mattress. "Mama, look, a kind man bought us cake." Asterisk, the woman smiled weakly, tears filling her tired eyes. "Bless you, sir," she whispered. Adrian knelt beside her, his voice trembling. "No, ma'am. Bless you. You raised a daughter with more strength and grace than most people I've ever met." Asterisk, that night, Adrian didn't return to his mansion. He stayed at the shelter, speaking with the people, listening to their stories. The next morning, he called his assistant and said, "We're launching a new program, Bread of Hope. Every unsold product from our stores will go to shelters, every single day. No food will be wasted, and no child will go hungry." Asterisk, within weeks, his campaign spread across the country. Media outlets called him the billionaire with a heart. But Adrian didn't care about fame. What mattered was the smile on Lily's face when she visited his office 1 month later. This time, not to beg, but to thank him. She handed him a small note written in shaky handwriting. "Thank you for seeing me when no one else did." Asterisk Adrian framed that note in his office. Every time he looked at it, he remembered that day in the bakery, the day a little girl's question, "Do you have any expired cake?" awakened his soul. Asterisk, and as the years passed, Lily's mother recovered, and with Adrian's help, Lily went to school. She grew up to manage one of his charity programs, dedicating her life to helping others, just as he had helped her. Asterisk sometimes. Miracles don't come from heaven. They come from hearts that choose kindness. Asterisk, so if you're watching this, remember, one small act of compassion can change everything. Maybe you're not a billionaire. Maybe you don't have much to give. But even a kind word, a smile, or a small gesture can heal someone's heart. Asterisk, never underestimate your power to make the world better. And if stories like this inspire you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Together, we can spread messages of hope, faith, and kindness across the world. Because somewhere out there, another Lily is waiting for a miracle. And that miracle could be you. Kindness costs nothing, but it changes everything. What you give to the world gives back. So be the reason someone smiles today. And remember, miracles start with you. Subscribe now for more stories that warm the heart and remind us what humanity truly means.